How to change server location in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to go to the lobby right here. So click on play, and here on the right side, you will see my current location or server. You just simply need to click on it to expand it up. So as you can see, I can go on any server that I want. So my fastest server is here on Singapore, which is 34 ms. I could also go to Tokyo if I want and Sydney, but Sydney has a high latency since it has 128 ms. And you'd also play on a lot of servers right here, but you will experience a high latency since it has up to 100 plus ms, and this is this part, which is the Latin America server, has the highest latency for me, which is 317 ms. So it's up to you if you want to play on those servers, but if you want to change it, let's say I want to go to Sydney or I want to check it out, and I'm just going to uncheck all others so that I can only play on that particular server. Click on confirm, and now it is set to Oregon. And you can now start the game. That's basically it.